Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do footprints in the snow. And these are the products I'm going to be using. Let's go. And using the Urban Graffiti gel polish called The Doctor, I do my first coat. And always remember to cap that free edge and pop it in the lamp. And this colour definitely didn't need a second coat, but I did it anyway. I'm going to pop it back under the lamp for another 30 seconds. So for this next bit, I'm going to use the Urban Graffiti's Snow White. Yeah, don't worry, I've not lost my head. Literally, I'm going to cover the whole nail with a really, really thin layer of white. And you'll see why. So now I've finished my thin layer of Snow White, I'm going to leave that uncured and I'm going to take the Mega White Acrylic powder. So I'm going to sprinkle the powder all over the nail. Now I'm going to tap off the excess. So now I'm going to use a dotting tool to do Santa's footprints, and this is why I left the gel uncured. So I leave the acrylic powder quite messy so it looks a little bit more like realistic snow. So I just repeat this process so it looks like he's walking over your nail. Right, so I've never met a reindeer in real life. I don't know whether their hooves look like this, but Google said so I'm going with it. And finally, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. And here's my final design. And the mixture of the powder and the gel, it really looks like snow. You could also do snow angels or paw prints, or you could even change it up for footprints in the sand for summer. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. All the products are listed below. I'll see you next time. Bye!